When someone presents themselves at a border, whether it be an internal or external border of the European Union, and seeks international protection, the obligation of non-refoulement applies immediately. The person cannot be returned to a member state where he or she is likely to be subject to persecution or torture or inhuman or degrading treatment or punishment or arbitrary disappearance. These are obligations under UN conventions which all member states participate in. Thus, when someone seeks protection at an external border of the European Union, member states are obliged to consider that application. Is the person in fear of persecution or torture or inhuman or degrading treatment or enforced disappearance in the place from whence they came, or are they not? Only once that decision has been made can there be a question of returning the person to a place where they came from. We have had a number of announcements over the last few days that member states are closing their borders for the movement of persons and requiring evidence that individuals who seek to move across international borders have specific requests which fulfill the conditions which have been set out by the member state. A number of member states which have reintroduced border controls with one another. These are all derogations under the Schengen Borders Code, which are only able to be held in place for a limited period of time. Before member states close their borders to persons who seek international protection, or indeed close their borders to everyone, they have to consider how they are going to continue to comply with their obligations under the Refugee Convention and make sure that they do not find themselves in contradiction.